So, Catherine, can you give us a brief introduction about ING USA and what kind of service or products you offer to the consumer in the United States?
I'd be happy to tell you about that. ING is very focused on helping consumers from when they first start building their assets all the way through to protecting those assets. So we have products that are very simple based, mutual funds, we have retirement plans, life insurance, annuities, and of course we sell these products both at the workplace and then directly to individuals from financial planners, registered reps.
Okay. Thank you. So how do you see the importance of Asian market and what kind of insurance products ING have specially designed for this market?
You know, part of the reason I'm here is I'm on an Asian listening tour, a multicultural listening tour. So I want to learn more about what specifically these Asian communities need for their life insurance planning. Because I think it's best to really listen to the voice of the customer before we finish designing the products. Now, we have some very good products on the shelf already in the form of life insurance products, but we want to hear more from the customer about the specifics of what would make a really good life insurance product for them.
Okay, thank you. So you just talked a little bit about my next question. So I know one of your important part of your tour in the Southern California is talk to the local agent in the Asian market. So what do you want to learn from them, and what kind of it going to help you to make decision in the future?
Well, the Asian market has very different and special needs from other parts of the community, and the history, the long tradition of a very good education, the very strong growing wealth within the Asian community are all parts of things we want to better understand so that we can help the distributors, the newfound Asian distributors of these products, as they serve their customer base here in California.
Okay, good. So as a female CEO in a big U.S. corporation and one of the most powerful women in the insurance industry, can you share some of your successful experience with us?
You know, well, thank you for all those nice comments. You know, I think the best experiences really, and what has been helped me be successful in business, is really to understand the customer. Customer has to be number one, and you really need to understand and know the customer well. In addition, I like to surround myself with people who really are good at what they do, are good listeners, and are very good at executing our business plan. And so it's one of the reasons I'm here to meet the people that we do business with here in California, because I think we have a very good group of partners, if you will, that we work with in California that can help us get involved with the Asian community here in California.
Okay, thank you. So as we all know that the recent tragedy in China, Sichuan, the earthquake, so I learned that the ING will have a special announcement to make. So can you tell us about it?
You know, this was a tragedy beyond measure, really, and we're very concerned about it. You know, ING, not only here in the U.S., but all around the world, have many operations, and we do, in fact, have operations in China itself. But today we're announcing that we're going to donate $100,000 from the U.S. ING Foundation to help the victims, particularly the children who are victims where schools were harmed and buildings fell down, and we want to make sure that we're doing what we can to help the communities in this part of China where the earthquake was so severe. So we'll be sending that money in through UNICEF. We're also helping our employees by matching the gifts that our U.S.-based employees give to the effort. And so we'll be able to double their effort, double their impact, if you will, with the matching donations.
Okay. I represent the Chinese people, and thank you here.
I wish we could do more because it's a huge tragedy.
Yes. We all know ING is a big global company. Can you tell us a little bit about ING history? And the logo, the line here is very famous. Can you tell us?
Yeah, well, let me start with the lion. The lion actually has a longer life than ING's, and we're a 150-year-old company. But the lion actually is the royal lion of ING, of Holland, and it's really the Queen's lion. And when ING came together a few years ago, one of the components of ING was a bank called Postbank, which had been government-owned. And when the government let ING take over the bank to run it privately. We also got to take the lion and put it in our logo. So it's very exciting. But ING is a big global company. You know, here in the U.S., we are about 20% of the business around the globe for ING, and a very fast-growing 20%, but still only 20%. So as you can imagine, we are in over 50 countries. We have 120,000 employees worldwide. We have almost $2 trillion of assets under management, so a very large company. In fact, on the scale of global financial companies in the Fortune Global ranking, we are the largest financial services company in the world.
Okay, good. So finally, do you have anything else to want us pass to the Chinese audience?
Well, we appreciate very much having an opportunity to get to know you on this listening tour, and I hope that we will find a way to do business with more and more members of the Chinese society as we continue our efforts here, both in the U.S. and as we work in China as well. And thank you very much for the opportunity.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.